Alright guys, so we have a Whirlpool washer, Maytag washer, Whirlpool made, and I'm hearing a bunch of coins in this drum. So I want to show you how you can get them out. Rotate your drum. See that? Lay your machine on the back, or on the side actually. Lay it on the side so the door is not in the way. Doesn't matter if you have a hand truck. It's better if you have a hand truck, but if you don't, you're fine. Your washer can actually pay you. But what this will do over time will actually get down between your agitator, and it could definitely cause damage. It gets in the pump, could actually damage the pump. So that's, sometimes you do have to remove the tub, but usually you just rotate it and go the other way as well. You can always agitate, shake the agitator a little bit, rotate it. I think we're good. Alright guys, and worst come to worst, you'd actually tip the machine upside down to get them all out, or remove this 7/16 and pull that agitator out. I've had them where they're so baked in and caked in that you had to remove everything to get them out, but this wasn't too bad. So if you hear rattling noises, just do this and get them out.